touched. I'm all tangled up over here, bro.
Dude,
I can't move.
it's okay, it's okay.
Look at it.
Is it a pike or a muskie? What's a pike?
That's a keeper too.
I don't want to keep one today.
You know? Now I'm hung up. Is that a skirted jig? Oh, that's on that chatterbait. Oh, that's a beautiful.